So how do your library's digital services actually talk to patrons? Let's break down the models behind it.
Well, it all boils down to a set of rules, kind of like a shared language for different computer systems.
Okay, so we've got two main rulebooks for this, OSI and TCP/IP. Let's start with the first one.
The OSI model is a big, theoretical framework. It's all about how different systems should communicate. Then you've got TCP/IP. It's way more practical. And, fun fact, it was actually developed before the OSI model. And here's where they're totally different. OSI designed the theory first, TCP/IP built the tools, then the model.
So, OSI is super flexible in theory since you can swap protocols, but TCP/IP is what's actually used.
You can see a few other key differences here. OSI is more rigid, kind of vertical. TCP/IP is simpler.
So how does the practical one, TCP/IP, actually get the job done? Let's look at its layers.
It's all broken down into 4 distinct layers, and each one has a very specific job to do.
Up top is the application layer. This is where your library software actually interacts with the network.
Next, the transport layer. Its whole job is making sure data gets there reliably and in the right order.
Then there's the internet layer. It's basically the postal service, using IP addresses to route everything correctly.
And at the very bottom, you have the physical stuff, the cables, the Wi-Fi signals, all that.
You see, TCP/IP is just simpler. It squishes the top 3 OSI layers into its one application layer.
And it does the same thing at the bottom, combining 2 OSI layers. That's what makes it so much more concise.
Okay, so why should you, as a librarian and information science pro, actually care about any of this? Because this stuff helps you manage digital collections and even troubleshoot when patrons can't get connected.
So here's something to think about. As libraries move to the cloud, which philosophy do you think wins out?
If you found this useful, definitely subscribe. We've got more library science explainers coming your way.